What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, it is the Beat the Clock Challenge video series where we try to make a beat in 10 minutes. So I have a timer on my phone. You guys will see a timer on the screen, and I got 10 minutes to make a beat from scratch and see how far I get. So started the timer right now, so we're gonna try to make this beat right now. Alright, so I'm going to start off something simple, get my piano going, come up with a melody first, and then we'll change it. So let's go to 160. So I'm going to replace it with an expand. So I can go to my bells, or maybe strings. So I'm gonna save. There's micro. I'm gonna use some of Hit Play's micro kits. So I like that closed hat. What about the Achilles? Nope. I don't want to use any of those. Not for this beat. Loud and lean. Fine, just a basic low clap. It's fine for now. Been listening to like a lot of Waka Flocka and Tekashi 6ix9ine, so it's probably a reason why I'm making these this type of beat right now. Alright, so we need to get this. I'm trying some different stuff. We're gonna just see what we get. We need to have this on. So if we. So let's get all these in there. So I got 4 minutes left. I'm taking like a decent amount of time just to get this going. I'm not really all situated. I got much time left. So let's see if I could just get a structure in real quick. So we're pulling this over, pull this over, save, make unique, alright, so work. There we go. Track that. Usually I just need to pull that one all the way up. Okay, save. Let's see if we could just get a quick little limiter. So how much time we got left? We got like 49 seconds. So come on, come on, come on. I got like 6 seconds. Alright, that's a timer. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the beat. It's not a bad beat, it's not a great beat, but I would like to add more elements to it. It's not, you know, it gets by. It gets the idea. If I were to say this is a Tekashi 6ix9ine type beat, I feel like most of you guys would agree. I might work on it a little bit more, but I say that on a lot of beats. This beat isn't anything crazy, but enough of me talking, and I'm gonna let you guys say what you guys think. Hopefully this was beneficial in some sort. Maybe it was entertaining, but if you guys like the tools, drums, and samples that I used, you can cop it over at beatitat.com. Link is always in the description down below. This is Andrew, and I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna play the beat.